Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today we're going to check out the Starbond CA Glue setup. They sent me 6 different styles ranging from thin to medium to thick and some activator, and I want to check it out for myself. The only thing I've seen is what's on the internet, so I really don't have any personal experience with this, but I'm going to check that out today. More specifically, I want to check out the gap filling process. I didn't have any wood here in the shop that really needed anything as far as gap filling, so I got a board in the vise, I got a 1/8 inch router bit in my router, and I'm just going to groove a line and try to fill it with Starbond's product there. So let's check it out. So this is their black, medium thick, and it dries jet black. This one is their brown medium, dries light brown. So this one is multi-performance medium. Easy flow formula. I'm assuming this one's clear, don't give me a color. Give those a few seconds to dry. It's probably already dry. It is. It's actually already dry. Each box comes with, the glue, 2 of these applicator tips, and a bag of these other specialized tips, I would assume. A bunch of little different sizes to really get into some tight cracks and fill those up real nice. Looks like there's a cap in there to seal it off as well. And that looks like it's pretty handy. So I've tried 3. I tried the black, the brown, and the clear medium. This is already dry. It's only been maybe 30 seconds to a minute to let them dry. So I'm going to sand them off and see what they look like. I just hit it with a quick 150, and I hit it with some wipe-on poly. I can tell you I didn't fill it in quite all the way because I still see some marks from where it wasn't high enough where I was sanding. But where I did, it actually looks really, really good. I'm gonna get a close-up on it. So there's the brown. There's the black. Here's the clear. And then I also filled in that wavy line. All right, that's the Starbond product, a small little demo. I just grouped some lines and filled it up with their medium CA glue and sprayed the activator on it. It literally only took about a minute for it to fully cure and to be able to sand. So I can see that being very beneficial if you're in a hurry and you want to fill in a knot or maybe a crack in a showpiece and sand it smooth with that. I can see that being very, very beneficial. Go check out Starbond products on their website. I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, if you use MFWoodShop as a promo code, you can receive 10% off on all their products. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.